Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by forcing Windows into recovery mode. Hold Shift and click Restart or Interrupt Boot 3 times. Once there, select Troubleshoot and Advanced options to access Startup Repair and Command Prompt. Make sure to ready a Windows USB installer now. It's faster if Startup Repair can't fix the BSOD. Also note recent drivers or registry edits before you proceed. Those are likely causes and will guide which repair path you take next. Now you repair the boot configuration and system integrity. Open Command Prompt and run bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/scanos, then bootrex/rebuild. This rebuilds the BCD that often triggers bad system config info. Once done, run sfc/scano to repair system files and chkdskc/f/r to fix disk errors. If the registry is the culprit, navigate to c/Windows/System32/config and restore defaults from the reg back folder. Make sure to back up before overriding. Finish by trying System Restore to a point before the error, or use Reset this PC to preserve files while reinstalling Windows. Once back in the OS, immediately roll back or reinstall any recently added drivers and avoid unverified drivers. If errors persist, test memory with memtest86 or Windows Memory Diagnostic. Bad RAM commonly causes blue screens. One key tip: swap and retest RAM sticks one at a time to isolate a failing module. This single step saves hours of troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.